Hi everyone, my name is Waya and welcome to My Deep Guide. Today is going to be a very short video and it's just to cover the news that it's finally happening. Customers who have pre-ordered the Remarkable 2 and were in batch 1 are now finally getting their DHL confirmations that the shipments have gotten out and they are now eagerly awaiting them. So the long wait is over. So I think that's excellent news, and I'm really looking forward to early October so that I can get my own device as well. So that's pretty cool. So I just wanted to share that news so that the people who are not part of the Facebook group and are not following the news on the Reddit pages, that they can also get the news from here. And on another note, I want to issue a very special thanks for everyone because My Deep Guide has reached a really important milestone, and that is in its lifetime, the channel has now surpassed 1 million views. Thank you guys so much. I'm very happy about that. That's a huge thing. And the subscribers are now 7,700 and more. I'm very grateful, and I'm super happy that you guys actually like the work that I'm doing, because I certainly enjoy doing it. So awesome, and thank you. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, tick the dingy dong bell thingy so that you get notifications with new videos, and new videos are coming. And as you can see, now I've got those lights. No more evil ring eyes and more balanced light. I'm kind of happy about that as well, because it's not blinding me anymore. And hopefully I think it's gonna look a bit better. Anywho, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!